So let's start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe something important that you lost.
In the fast-paced world, it's quite common for people to lose their things, especially while traveling. Uh, especially while traveling, I would like to today. I would like to talk about such an incident when I have lost my wallet during traveling. Actually, a couple of months ago, I visited Lahore Zoo with my friends. When I have reached home after taking bus, I realized that I have lost my wallet. I searched it everywhere, but I did not find my wallet. Unfortunately, it was lost. It was lost. I have to say I was very tense at that day because my wallet contained my cash, ATM card, as well as my student ID card. I was unable to sit in my final examination because I have lost my student ID card. I immediately called bank customer service care in order to block my ATM card to secure my payments. I feel really tense on that day. So that was a precious thing I recently lost. And
1 minute, 5 seconds, and you had grammatical mistakes. You said I have lost. It should have been I had lost. When in past you want to talk about the previous past, for that you use past perfect, had and third form of the verb. Then you said at that day. It should have been on that day. Then you said called. It should have been called. Talk, pronunciation. And then you said I feel tense. It should have been
felt.
I felt tense. So it's only tenses, especially PP, present past mixture. So try to focus one tense. Your topic is very clear, something you lost. So lost means it should be in the past tense, right?
Okay.
Just focus the tenses, otherwise the story is good. Yeah. Now we move on to speaking part 3. What kind of people may lose things often?
I think most of the people lose things that are careless, that did not know
Who don't know?
who don't know how to be tidy. Most of the people lose their things when they don't do things on their time. So to answer your question, most of the people lose things when they are untidy.
All right, that's good. Just keep it up and try to focus your tenses, improve your grammar.